MRX Systems is proud to introduce its new feature, loading quotation content for maintenance projects from an Excel file. With this tool, you can save time and quickly create quotations while automatically retrieving any associated existing resources. Step 1. Prepare your loader file. The loader is divided into two sections, package and job card. In the package section, you can create new packages by entering the position, the engine serial number, if the package is engine related. If the package is airframe related, leave this field blank, the title, the expected man-hours to perform the package, the fixed rate. In the job card section, you can define job cards by entering the position within the package, the index, the ATA chapter, the reference, the title, the description, the access, the zone, the awareness status, the expected man-hours to perform the job, the fixed rate. To add job cards to a package, simply repeat the package details in the package section for each job card. If you want to create a package without job cards, you only need to fill in the package section. It will create a general item that will be displayed on the quotation report. For example, here, AOG fees. Step 2. Load the data into the system. Go to the Quotations module and switch to Edit mode. While it's possible to add content to an existing quotation, this tutorial will guide you through the process using a new one. Click Add Quotation, select a sender and customer, then click Next. Choose a work order type and click Next. Select an aircraft and click Next and Finish. Confirm to close the pop-up window without adding any content yet. We will import it from the file. Quotation appears in the quotations list on the left-hand side. Save the quotation. Switch to Edit mode again and click on the Import Quotation Content from Excel File button. Click Next, then on the button with the three dots. Select your prepared file and click Launch Conversion. You'll now see a preview of the content to be added. Click Next, then Finish. The packages and job cards are now successfully added to your quotation. If any job cards already exist in the system, it will detect them and automatically retrieve their associated data, including required items and related files. Any new job cards will be created as new entries. You can also complete or adjust additional information, such as man-hours or pricing, if it wasn't included in the file. And that's it. Thanks to this new feature, building quotations has never been faster or easier. MRX Systems empowers your workflow with smarter tools.